to say no in German without sounding like a total robot? Well, in this video, I got you. You know, in English, a no is a no. It's a simple no. But in German, there are so many different ways you could express this. It just makes it so much more fun. So let's start with the OG, shall we? The main one, the original one, the basic one. Nein in German just means no. The simple no. This is strong, clear, and sometimes a little bit too harsh. Our second no is more casual, and there are two variations to this. We have nö and we have nie. Both are pretty much the same. I'm kind of convinced that nö is basically nie, just lazy, you know, instead of smiling you kind of close your mouth. But they're pretty much the same, and it means no in a casual way. Our third no is going to be a more polite one. If you want to politely decline something, then you could just say nein, danke. No, thank you. Another polite rejection is to say leider. Leider means unfortunately. So this would be more an answer to something someone said. If someone asks you something and you hate to disappoint them but you have to, just answer leider, unfortunately. But of course here the context has to be clear. Okay, coming up are more firm no's. You're more certain that it's a definite no. Auf keinen Fall. This means absolutely not. Bestimmt nicht. This means certainly not. This is when you're slightly less certain. Das kommt nicht in Frage. This is out of question. Out of the question. No way. Nothing to talk about. Okay, now we're about to get to some no's that are definitely more fun, and this is going to be pretty interesting for our American audience. Let me tell you why. In German, there's this one word. You may already know what I'm talking about. There's this one word that basically contradicts or denies or negates your negative statement. And in English, we don't have such a thing. But this is super fun, and it makes German much easier. If I accuse you of something, if I accuse you of not having done your homework already, I'm assuming something negative. You can tell me that I am wrong about my negative statement by saying doch, which basically cancels the negative thing that I said. Du hast deine Hausaufgaben nicht gemacht. You haven't done your homework. If you tell me doch, then that means yes, I did. So it's no, I didn't not do my homework. I did do my homework. So it's a negation to the negation. I guess you could refer to this as your Uno reverse card. Another thing you can say is stimmt nicht. Stimmt nicht. That is not true. And it looks like we have run out of no's. I hope you guys enjoyed this video though, and I hope it taught you something. Let me know in the comments which of these no's really stuck with you and you think you could actually use in your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next ones. By the way, if you guys haven't heard about this yet, I'm really happy to announce to you that there's now an option to have one-on-one Zoom meetings with me. This is obviously business related. I offer private language coaching. I am fluent in 4 languages: English, German, Arabic, and Hebrew. If any of these languages are ones that you're interested in learning, doesn't matter which level you're at, I would be more than happy to help you. You could contact me via email and ask about the details. I'll be more than happy to help, and let's just get you to the place you want to be at.